Hi guys. So I was just about to start filming and someone started using a big drill or something right beside me there. So of course as soon as I walked away to come down here to video, it seems to have stopped, but I'm sure it'll start up again. So I found this lovely wee spot. And sandy beach, which from all the other angles I hadn't noticed, so I'm going to bring the dogs around there later today. There's a motorhome over there parked up. And that is an island of which I just forget the name at this moment. I realised last night that since I left Ireland over 2 months ago, at all points when I was once I got to France, at all points where I've been driving on coasts, I've always been able to see land. So when I was coming down initially through Greece on my left, it was Turkey the whole way down, and then I went over the Corinth, north Greece, and I could see Greece the whole way along as well. I can actually still see Greece. I don't know if it can be seen there. And then now I have this island, so at all points I've never been able to see just sea. That's the Mediterranean. And when I do start to move further down, I'm not going to go to next week. I've really enjoyed being here now. I'm here 4 or 5 days. It'll just be Mediterranean. Sounds good, doesn't it? Better than work. This is now Tuesday. In my last video I said that I was going to yesterday go on my bicycle. By the way, I'm worried about going out on the bicycle. It's an electric bike. I've never ridden it. I took it from the shop to my van, which was about 30 metres, and I was all wobbly. And I've never got to drive it again because I brought it, it was in the van and I brought it to my father's, and there's nowhere where he lives you could ride a bike. And now I'm here. So I'm a wee bit worried about it, you know, a couple of disasters in the last few days. Don't want any disaster in the bike, that would really be a nightmare. So I'm going to do a wee bit of practicing today, but I wasn't able to go yesterday because of the rain. So this morning I got up, it's a lovely day. It rained all night again, but it's a lovely day, and I thought, and it's nice and warm today, and I thought I'll go. So I was looking up the coordinates in Google, and the castle that I've seen in the distance is closed but opens tomorrow. So I'm going to go tomorrow, but I am going to have a wee practice. Going to get it off the back of the van and have a go at it. I've charged the battery and all. That'll be fun. This wee place is lovely. I really like it here. I'm really comfortable, and it's really the first time since I set off that I've had this feeling of don't need to go, don't need to rush, don't need to do anything. It took a while to get that out of my system. You know, I think travelling across Europe and heading for a dental appointment and all that stuff had me in a mood where I was charging all the time. It's hard to get your mind slowed down. Even though you know you can do it, I was still going A to B, B to C, C to D, oh, have to go. And now I'm really starting to appreciate it. And also, in the first couple of months, although I've had a great time and really enjoyed it, I did have worries. I had moments of, can I do this? Am I going to enjoy this for a long period of time? I hadn't got into the frame of mind of that I'm in now, which is, this is great. Problem, my weeks are flying in. They're just flying in. You see, when you have nothing to worry about, it's hard to explain, but time just flies. My days fly in. Even if I have nothing to do, my days fly in, although I don't have too many days where it's just nothing to do. One of the things I decided when I left was take off my watch. No more watches. Don't need a watch. Look, no watch. And I found myself not having a clue what day it is. I have to really think about the days. Whenever I said to you this is Tuesday, on the way down I had to have a think about that, figure it out. So, which is lovely, which is a really nice feeling. So anyway, next, have a go at the bike, and then I'll take it from there. But I'm not going to go on my big bicycle day until tomorrow. other thing, you see other people around here in bicycles, like Greek people, no one wearing the wee safety hats. Now I have a safety hat, I've never worn one. I don't want to look like an idiot. Male crowd. So I'm having to really talk myself into wearing the hat, but I don't know if I'm going to end up wearing it. We will see. We'll see. It should be fun, but I'm going to have to be very, very careful. Fortunately, as you've seen, around here is very, very quiet. So until I get away up on the main road, which is a couple of miles away, I've plenty of area to practice in, you know, get used to it. Practice, it's just a bicycle. Do you hear the noise in the background? That's the fella that's doing work. And so I'm not going to start getting my bicycle off until I can film it a wee bit. But while I've been sitting here looking at the van, I've realised that I've never opened the awning. And although it won't be complicated, I haven't even looked at how to open it. So I'm going to do that today as well. So we're going to unload my bike, have a go at riding it, and then have a go at getting the awning out. How exciting is that? Look what I've spotted. Hope it doesn't fly away too quick. Hello. Because when you look close up, it really does imitate a leaf in every way. Oh, he's looking at us. Hello. Leave you alone. This is the awning tool. And I believe he just wound it out. I thought I was getting that in the head. There you go, easy. Something not right. That's really heavy. It's come away out, and that's already heavy. That can't be right. And I've looked everywhere for legs or any motorhomers that are watching this laughing at me. Say I'm a bio, I haven't a clue what I'm doing, figuring it out as I go along with everything. Have to be YouTube to figure it out. Have to find out properly.
Later.
At least I figured out there was something wrong. Let's go to the lock. Oops. Ah. Comes out further than I thought it would. Oh, oh, I don't know about that noise. Ta-da! Brilliant. don't need it, of course. I'm going to put it away again. Couldn't really be simpler. Very good. Now the bicycle. Okay, so earlier on I was going to do the bike, and then I was forced to do the awning because the bike is very expensive, very pretty. Bike won't start. Start the right word, won't turn on. Fully charged battery. Took me 10-15 minutes, get it off the barn, get the battery on it, turned on, didn't turn on. So I left it, did the awning, and just had another hour. Sorry about the noise in the background. I've just had another hour trying to get this going. Going to have to write to the people who I bought it from, send them an email and see if I get anything. Also, the weather, as usual, has turned. It's suddenly got cold and very grey and raining. So it'll get sorted at some time, but not now. I ain't getting in to get out of the cold, have a coffee. So I'm going to leave it off there. Guys, if you're enjoying the video, need subscriptions badly. I'm not getting very many subscriptions, to be honest with you, and YouTube are going to ignore my videos unless I get the subscription count way up. That's how it works. So if you haven't subscribed and you're interested, please do. And saying that, it's not going too bad. It's going pretty well. My views are way up, but it's just subscribers. You need subscribers. I'll leave it there. So until next time, hopefully with a bike that's running, leave it there for now. See you, bye bye.